Hi everyone. We wish you very happy new year. Today we bring you best top 5 resolutions you can have this new year. Let's begin. First in our list is exercise more every day. Exercise is the miracle cure we've always had, but for too long we've neglected to take our recommended dose. Our health is now suffering as a consequence. This is no snake oil. Whatever your age, there's strong scientific evidence that being physically active can help you lead a healthier and happier life. People who exercise regularly have a lower risk of developing many long-term, chronic, conditions, such as heart disease, stroke, and some cancers. Research shows that physical activity can also boost self-esteem, mood, sleep quality, and energy, as well as reduce your risk. Second is, get organized. It can be hard to keep everything organized when there are many things demanding your attention. However, being organized can benefit your health and help you feel happier and more relaxed. Disorganization can wreak havoc on your life. It can lead to an increased stress level and depression. Disorganization can be a physical threat as well and can be a fire hazard and cause mold and dust buildup. The human body is made up of tens of thousands of integrated biological and neurochemical systems, all of which are organized. Even at the atomic level, we are well regulated and well organized. It wouldn't be surprising, then, if the reason we crave symmetry and cleanliness in our homes is to mirror the organization within our very own bodies. Neatness and order support health, and oppose chaos. Third is, learn a new skill or hobby. Learning new skills is essential to advancing your career. It diversifies your job options and helps you develop new techniques to keep up with the fast-changing world. But there are other benefits, too. Here are 5 benefits of learning new skills, no matter your age or profession, or type of skill you learn. It gives you motivation. It helps beat boredom. It boosts confidence. It keeps you healthy. It helps you be flexible. Next will be, save more money, spend less money. The importance of saving money is simple. It allows you to enjoy greater security in your life. If you have cash set aside for emergencies, you have a fallback should something unexpected happen. And, if you have savings set aside for discretionary expenses, you may be able to take risks or try new things. If you focus on spending less instead of earning more, you keep the full amount that you saved. There are no taxes on it. And the last resolutions will be, spend more time with family and friends. Some advantages of having a family are increased happiness and satisfaction. Studies have shown that spending time with family can help reduce stress and anxiety, lead to a healthier lifestyle and lengthen your life. Family gives you the motivation to be the best version of yourself. Being with family helps construct principles and improves overall mental health. Spending time with family is key to a person's development as it promotes adaptability and resilience. Such key lessons can only be taught by family members coaching each other regarding life's ups and downs. Family is what makes us who we are. So, this is all for now. Be sure to make these resolutions and be happy in your life. Thank you and see you in the next video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe.